Hi friends, welcome to my channel and hope you're all doing well. Today I have done this makeup look by using only 6 products. Yes, only 6 products. Now there must have been days in your life where you just don't feel like doing makeup or you're running short of time, but still on the other side you have to look fab. So today I will show you that how can you look fab, how can you look gorgeous by using only 6 makeup products. And before proceeding, would just like to request you that please subscribe to my channel and hit on that like button. So yeah, without much further delay, let's just now jump into the video straight. I've already moisturized my face very well and this will act as the primer. For the foundation, I've taken Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation in the shade Natural. I'm taking a big pump of this, applying in dots, and will be blending this with my damp beauty blender. The reason for taking this foundation is I don't have to apply concealer separately as this is a 2-in-1 product. I have already reviewed this foundation in my channel. I will attach a link in the description box, so do check that out. Now for the powder, I've taken this HD finishing powder from Studio Makeup. I'm taking this in my powder brush, tapping off the excess, and I'm applying to the areas where I have applied my foundation cum concealer so that it all sets properly. Now for the brows, I'm using this brow pencil from Winky Lux. At one side is the pencil and on the other side is this brow brush. This is quite a nice product. It makes your brows look very fuller. Now I'm taking this face tint which is in the shade Pink Lemonade. I don't remember the name of the company, but I guess I got this in one of my Ipsy bag subscription. I'm taking this in my ring finger and blending it very well on my eyelid. I'm basically using 2 fingers to do this. This kind of face tints are very much available in the market. When you are very short of time, you can use this as your eyeshadow as well as your blush on as well as your lip shade. You can choose the color which you like, as there are various color options which are there. Now here, in order to apply the mascara, first I am curling my lashes. And I will be using Wet n Wild Volume Plus Mascara. This is quite a nice product. It helps to lengthen and voluminize your lashes. I'm using this on my lower eyelash too. I'm taking the same face tint, taking this with my 2 fingers, tapping it onto my cheeks, and will be blending this with a beauty blender. This acts as a very good blush. I'm using the same thing on the other side as well. This gives a very nice flush of color on your cheeks and it blends very well. And after using this, you can see that there's a glow which comes to your skin where you don't need any highlighter. To the most favorite part of mine, I'm using this lip shade from NYX. It's called Exotic. This is my go-to and one of my favorite lip shade of all times. It suits all skin type. This is a very beautiful shade. You have seen that how I have achieved this look by using only 6 makeup products. This takes much of your less time and much of less makeup products. And this comes out so easily and so quickly. So this was how I created this look with very minimal makeup products. So if you have liked today's video, please hit on that like button and subscribe to my channel. And till then, you all take care and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.